up, guys? Tuesday night, 10:30. Got this Lamborghini Miura. Getting ready to go to Pebble Beach tomorrow. Heading out to Detroit. Getting picked up on a car carrier, 5 o'clock, and heading right to California. It's in the final detail stages of this car. Been working on this for about 2 months right now. Here's the final product. We're almost done. Check it out.